What's up, y'all? It's your boy. It's always Guapo. You know, we got
Mark Guapo.
And we got
your boy's twin, man.
Ed had to go to work. He left us. He lame. Then he had to go to work, though. I ain't gonna lie. I can't blame him for getting that fatty.
We ready to get something to eat, you feel me? Had to go to that IHOP. Can we do that, like, teleport?
Why they tell us there's no waters, bro? Like, we can't get no water.
No lemon water.
Bro, I gotta get straight, plain, faucet water. I'm ready to die.
Yeah, I'm fighting for my life. Y'all killing me with this.
What you get, Omar?
I'm getting a split.
You need a salad.
Take it down.
You need a split decision, a salad.
Nah, that ain't it.
Alright. Thank you. Y'all had strudel? Oh, yeah, thank you. Look. Don't never use these as for plasticware.
Here's me right here. 12 and under, you're not 12 and under.
Who not?
You gotta be 12 and under.
I'm 12.
Cap.
He said he's 12, chat. She said she was 12. It's like, nah. Yo, I like French toast, but like I have French toast be so little, dummy, for its price. We got a cool little waitress too. She nice. She very respectful. I'm gonna give her a tip. A $3 tip because we broke. Alright, chat, we just now ordered. What you get?
I got some buttermilk pancakes and, you know, turkey sausage. I mean, turkey bacon. Yeah.
What you get, Omar?
I got the little split decision. 2 eggs.
Mine,
yeah, you feel me?
Surely.
All turkey products.
God, now what you want on deep pork?
I'm Muslim.
Cap.
So chat, you know me. I got the French toast. I asked her was the French toast fat. She said yes, God. So I got the French toast with the what I get? what a steak. No cheese just came through. You feel me? His Uber just came. Then say what's up, cheese. Cheese, what you getting from IHOP, bro?
So some cold shit like some pancakes, eggs and shit type shit.
Right.
I'm in the seat?
Yeah, you in the seat, Debbie. You in the seat.
Who sit next to you?
You sit next to Omar.
Yeah, Omar. You a bitch.
Yeah. Hey, yo, chat. Tell me why the food look ever this good. I'm ready to murder this omelet. What they don't know about me, chat. If I don't finish it, it's going straight in the bed.
Hey, y'all want water, sir, right?
Yes, man.
You had water?
Yes, man. W waiter, bro.
So I'm clutching on my gun. Got them doing what I'm doing, many niggas ain't my sons. I be chasing money, baby girl, I'm on the run. Still in the field, trying to touch a mill. I ain't playing games, bitch, I'm going for the kill. Sassy, he be with me, yeah, that nigga got no chill. Leave the phone at home, cause we
back there. Oh my gosh, look at that, dummy.
Bro.
Oh my god. No. Yo, I wasn't messing with the college, dummy. They went to, cause they ain't have no they ain't have no straws, and they wanted everybody to drink out glass containers. I said, no, I ain't doing that. Oh, can I get a straw too? I think I threw away my straw. Thank you.
I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing.
You start pushing your food for me,
That's that Uber back food.
That's that.
To my face, rapping on the my cup. Put another dollar in my pockets, probably bust. Shout out to the game, bitch, I'm doing this shit for us. Let a bitch leave, I ain't never give up.
Yo, so everybody, right, they quitted on me, but I'm going round to you, fam. He quitting on me, Blair quitted on me, he couldn't even finish the omelet, he on his phone.
I ate more than this nigga, bro. I didn't know that.
No, you didn't. This is round to you, fam. Fight.
How you asking me for money, but won't let a nigga fuck? Bitch, I'm like, yo, this shit ain't running on my bucks. Shit get wicked, start spinning out the truck. Can't put a Drake on him, he went out in the box. I don't like how niggas moving, I ain't keeping shit tough. In the party ain't get ready, but the bitches know it's us. All the tickets want phone call to hit him up. Going boozy beat, but you know I'm going hard. Sneak this and know me, send a nigga straight to God. Breaking by y'all probably think I'm doing fraud. Fuck no nigga, I ain't never fuck a card. Bitch.
I can't believe we made it this far. I can't believe we made it this far.